Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to install the CIT Bank app for 2025. If you're looking to manage your finances on the go, this app is a game changer with its secure features and user-friendly interface. Whether you're on an Android or iOS device, I'll walk you through the steps in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your device is up to date. You'll need a smartphone or tablet running the latest version of Android or iOS to ensure compatibility with the 2025 update. This step is crucial to avoid any glitches during installation. Step 1. Open your device's App Store. If you're on an Android, that's Google Play Store. For iPhone or iPad users, head to the Apple App Store. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and type in CIT Bank app. Make sure to spell it correctly for quick results. Step 2. Look for the official CIT Bank app in the search results. It should have the bank's logo and a high rating. Aim for the one developed by CIT Bank. Tap on it to go to the apps page. Step 3. Hit the Install or Get button. Depending on your device, it might ask for permissions like access to your camera or location for features like account verification. Go ahead and grant those if you're comfortable. They're for security purposes. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to sign in with your existing CIT Bank credentials or create a new account if you're a first-timer. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity, which might involve entering a code sent to your email or phone. After that, you're all set. Take a moment to explore the app's dashboard, where you can check balances, transfer funds, or set up alerts. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication right away for added security. And there you have it. That's how you install the CIT Bank app for 2025. It's super straightforward and takes just a few minutes. If you run into any issues, double-check your internet connection or contact CIT Bank's support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.